Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to fix Wi-Fi denied access. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss any important information that I am going to tell you. So without further ado, let's get on it. So the first thing that you can do if you cannot access a Wi-Fi connection, first, if you're trying to check or if you're trying to connect into a Wi-Fi address, try to check if that Wi-Fi is a private network. So if it is a private network, obviously you'll need some details or password for you to be able to access that Wi-Fi. But if it isn't, what you can do is you can turn off and turn on your Wi-Fi. So go to your Wi-Fi, or you can scroll down to this easy access. So turn off your Wi-Fi first, and then after a few seconds of waiting, you can turn it back in, and you can even turn on your airplane mode on and then turn it off after a few seconds again, and see if that fixes the problem. And you can try to connect to that Wi-Fi again. And if that didn't fix the problem, what you can do is to restart your phone. So this fix usually fixes the problem. So uh, turning off after turning off your phone for a few seconds, just turn it back on again and try to connect to that Wi-Fi. And if you can still access that Wi-Fi if you are on your home or on your house, what you can do next is you can restart your router of your internet provider. So you can go ahead and do that, and again, that should fix the problem. So if it didn't, you can try to contact your internet provider um, um, support uh, support system, customer support, and try to tell them that you are having a problem with your connection. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye.